In this video, we'll show you how to install an RCI 910TC touchless switch and connect it to a Dorma RCI ED series operator. The first step is to connect the 910TC touchless switch to the ED series operator. Remember, before making any connections, make sure the power to the operator is off. Begin by removing the cover of the operator. For the door to be activated, the touchless switch connects to either 42 and 3 or 41 and 3. You can also use any 1 and 3 to pull power. The positive connects to 1 and the ground connects to 3. You can use any 3 and 1 to pull power. The 910TC touchless switch runs on 12 to 24 volts DC and will fit in a single gang box. When activated, the switch has a maximum current draw of 115 milliamps. There's a bank of dip switches on the back of the touchless switch. Each dip switch numbered 1 through 6 has an individual time delay. The hold open time is the individual time of each dip switch added together. For example, if you want the hold open time to be 10 seconds, you would turn on switches 2 and 4. Farther down, you see dip switches 7 and 8 that fine-tune the operation of the touchless sensor. In the on position, dip switch 7 will increase the range of the touchless sensor. Dip switch 8 in the on position will reduce the sensitivity of the sensor to prevent random activations caused by electrical or environmental conditions. Before you wire the 910TC touchless switch, let's first review the terminals. There is a positive 12 to 24 volts DC input, common, relay normally open, relay normally closed, a momentary button which is used for a requested exit device, and a ground terminal. Start by removing the terminal block with terminals 42 and 41 from the operator and connect the wires from the touchless switch to the terminal block. Red is for power and connects to terminal 1. Black and yellow-black are common and connect to terminal 3. Yellow is the normally open relay and connects to terminal 41 or 42. Make the connection at the operator by plugging in the terminal block. On the terminal block of the 910TC, you'll see the VDD terminal at the top, common, normally open, and ground on the bottom. Take out the terminal block and connect the red wire to VDD. Next, connect yellow-black to common, yellow to normally open, and lastly, connect the black wire to common. Next, remove the faceplate by pulling up and away and plugging the terminal block into the back of the touchless switch. The unit will come on, and you'll hear a beep, along with a lit LED. To complete the installation, use the appropriate screws to attach the switch to a nearby surface, gang box, or drywall ring. Once you reattach the faceplate on the touchless switch, your installation is complete. This concludes how to install the RCI 910TC touchless switch and connect it to a Dorma RCI ED series operator. For customer service, contact Dorma RCI